Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to reset Apple ID password without email or number. To reset Apple ID password without email or number, you need to follow the steps I'm going to do. First, click to open Settings app from your iPhone. Then, from Settings, go into your Apple account. Once you get into your Apple ID from here, tap to sign out. Now, click on the phone option and it will ask you to enter your password. To reset your Apple ID password, you have to enter your passcode. Then, it will take you to the password reset page. After that, you can enter your new Apple ID password. Now, get back to Settings and click on General. Then scroll down in General and choose the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. After that, click to erase all content and settings. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.